Automotive batteries come in many sizes and shapes, but for gas-powered vehicles, they serve a remarkably similar function. They start your car. Eventually, any lead-acid battery will need to be replaced. You may think the old battery is dead, but it's still extremely dangerous if not handled carefully. The sulfuric acid used is highly caustic, with the ability to burn clothing and skin and even cause blindness. These batteries can also start fires if not disposed of properly. If they end up in the main waste stream at the recycling facility or landfill, they can damage equipment and, even worse, injure workers at the facility. That's why it's extremely important to turn these over to a properly equipped battery recycling program. Please do not put these batteries in a home trash bin, recycling container, or dumpster. For the most up-to-date and complete list of items accepted at our household hazardous waste facility, please visit our website. Thanks for doing your part to keep our environment clean and our employees safe.